Shalom YouTube, this is your Ak. Yah is magnified, coming back with another video. This video is titled, The Straw Man Gives the Court's Jurisdiction. You know, you can say the straw man, you can say the legal person, you can say artificial person. They one and all the same. But I decided to use straw man because the definition for straw man in the Black Law Dictionary is the front person in between. So in order for jurisdiction, for court to have jurisdiction over a man, you know, he must admit to being the straw man or the front person in between, which give them joinder. He joins himself to the artificial person unknowingly, and he ends up in jail. Like for instance, guys, when you go into court, the judge say John Doe versus the state of, let's just say, California. You stand up. They say, are you John Doe? You say yes. Then you come in. They say state your name for the record. You say John Doe. Then they say then they ask you to swear in and all that other stuff. But by you saying you are John Doe, the artificial person, then you now became joinder to that name, and you admitted to being an artificial person. You see, guys, and I'm gonna prove that too. I've been telling y'all this forever. You know, you have guys on YouTube teaching you guys to go in there after you already accepted the name and then argue jurisdiction, which never works. You always lose. Why? Because you gave him jurisdiction once you said you was the all caps name. Simple as that. When you guys seen the video of my client, he went in there. He never admitted to that. You see? And when he didn't admit to that, he stood up on his square. The judge couldn't do nothing with him. And I keep trying to tell y'all this. But instead, y'all want to listen to these other cats out here selling y'all dreams, man. And putting you right in the system. Putting you right deeper into the system, making it harder for you to escape. So now let's get to it. This is coming from the Black Law 3rd edition. Now let's read it. Jurisdiction. The power and authority constitutionally conferred upon or constitutionally recognized as existing in a court or judge to pronounce the sentence of the law or to avoid the remedies provided by law upon a state of facts proved or omitted, referred to the tribunal for decision, and authorized by law to be the subject of investigations or actions by the tribunal and in favor or against persons. Key word there, guys. Persons, right? Or risk, right? Who presents themselves. So a person who presents themselves. You see? Now let's continue on. Or who are brought before the court in some manner sanctioned by law as proper or sufficient. You see? So when you come before the court as that all caps name, which is a person is, then you guys gave them what? Jurisdiction. You see? But let's go a little bit deeper. Let's do the definition for the word person. Now don't be confused, but we're going to read the definition for the word person to break this thing down even more. Okay, guys. Here we go. Person. A man considered according to the rank he holds in society with all the right to which the place he holds entitles him and the duties which it imposes. And he says people versus, well, that's the case law. You see what I mean? But let's continue on, because it says a person is a man, right? Yes, a man can be a person. You see? If he chooses to be. You see? But let's continue on. It says the term is, however, more extensive than man. It may include artificial beings as corporations. You see? So your all caps name is a fictitious business, a fictitious entity, a corporation. When would you guys catch on? You see? It's not hard to do. It's not hard to see. Okay? That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. It's a fictitious entity. Artificial is fake. So when you go in there and you say you're the fake being, then they treat you like one. You see? Stop going in there being that. Go in there as a man. And stand as a man, guys. That's it. I've been telling you this forever. That's it. You know? That's it. Alright, so let's continue to the next one. Now we're going to go to John Doe. The name John Doe. Okay, guys. So when they pronounce you dead or they can't find you and they don't know who you are, they pronounce you as what? John Doe. Let's see what John Doe is. John Doe is a fictitious name frequently used to indicate a person for the purpose of argument or illustration. You see? Or in the course of enforcing a fiction in the law. You see? But look how John Doe is spelled. All caps. So when you pronounce dead and they don't know you, you don't have any identification or anything, they'll pronounce you as John Doe. You see? They pronounce you as a fictitious entity. So you see it. You see it. It's right here in front for all to see, guys. So again, I continue to tell you guys over and over and over again. Once you go into court, and let's go back over it again, and they say, they're going to say, John Doe versus the state, let's say California again. You stand up and say, here. They say, state your name for the record. John Doe. Boom. You gave him joinder right there. Once you became joinder as the fictitious person, they now have what? Jurisdiction over you. Plain and simple, guys. So when somebody tells you to go in there and argue jurisdiction after you already gave it to them by saying you are that name, then guess what, guys? Your argument is pointless. Because if you wasn't that fictitious person, then why are you there anyways? And if you can't have a legit reason why you're there, then guess what, guys? It's over for you. So with that being said, continue to read, continue to study, continue to fight. This is just a quick video, for the people to see and get understanding. It's short and sweet and to the point. I don't have to do all that explaining or none of that. It's so clear and it's right there for you all to see. All out of the 3rd edition of the Black Law Dictionary. I ain't have to go no further. That's it. So y'all have a blessed day. Shalom, YouTube.